When recovering soldered terminations, identify the circuit to be recovered from the circuit location details specified on the Work Manager Task Force jumpering schedule. Using a test telephone, use 17070 to ensure that it's not a working circuit. Cut the jumper approximately 50 mm from the block termination tags, leaving the ends projecting ready for recovery. Use a clean, hot soldering iron to remove the short ends of the jumper wire from the tags. Now use the soldering iron to remove any excess solder from the tags. Don't forget to clean the soldering iron by tapping the excess solder back into its holder.